What's up to all of my bosses, future bosses, and aspiring bosses? I'm the head boss in charge, BeBeNycole. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm BeBeNycole, owner of DHG Hair Studio and DeluxeHairGallery.co for the ones that don't know. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to properly plan out your year. I'm super excited for 2020. I hope you guys are too. If you're ready to knock out these goals and achieve success, continue watching. First and foremost, I want to wish a happy new year to all of my subscribers, all of my supporters, my boss family. Happy New Year, boos. I'm really excited to spend another year with you guys. And if you want to join the boss family, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notifications because we would love to have you. So go ahead and join the family. The overall goal for me this year is to pretty much eliminate wasted time. I don't want to go with the flow when it comes to my business, my success, my YouTube content. I'm no longer going with the flow. And a quote that I like to refer to is, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. With that being said, we're going to jump right into this video, boss family. A lot of things are out of our control, but there are a lot of things that we do have control over. And how we plan for our days is one of those things. Here's what I've been doing differently, guys. For the past 5 months of last year, I have really been planning out my YouTube content. I've been sticking to it, making a plan and making sure I go through on that plan. It really made me excited to kind of see that with me doing something so simple as scheduling a day to film, scheduling a day to upload, planning out my content, the titles, what I want to talk about, literally helped me stick to a time frame and actually get my content delivered in a timely manner. It really blew my mind because honestly, I'm not that huge of a planner. But to look back over the last 5 months on YouTube, I've been consistent and I haven't missed an upload. And it really inspired me to actually implement that type of planning, that really structured, planned out planning into every aspect of my life. So I got the bright idea to apply that method to a lot of different areas in my life. I have plans for YouTube content. I have plans for my businesses, and I also have plans for my future businesses. And this year, I'm planning all those things out. So the first thing I did was pull up Google Calendar. I'm going to insert what my Google Calendar looks like right now. So I pulled up Google Calendar. I just looked around, browsed some of their features to see what I could do, what I could implement, and how I could create this new schedule for 2020. Because your girl want to be on track and on point all year. The reason why I recommend Google Calendar is because it can be on your device. You're on your phone. That's going to go with you every day. So it might be easier to pick up your phone, look at your schedule, look at your to-do list versus picking up a folder, picking up a planner or something like that. I'm all for it, but I feel like you're always going to wake up and grab your phone. So it's really smart to put it on a device that you're going to use every day. It's not forced. It's not out of your pattern. It's not making you switch up what you're doing. So you're kind of just going with the flow of what you already do by using the calendar on your phone. So after I got familiar with Google Calendar, I decided to assess what's on my schedule already. And then I got the idea to kind of organize the things that I want to focus on this year. I'm focusing on YouTube content, my current business that I have, also my future business, Shop Bosswear, which is going to be launching sometime this year. You'll see. And what I did inside of Google Calendar is I created color codes. So all of my YouTube content is going to be purple and pink. The pink is going to be literally deadlines and dates that something needs to be done or whatever that said thing is. And the purple is a task. And one thing that I did with those tasks was I actually plugged in certain days of the month. So you might see a purple task before a video is due, but that purple task is going to make sure I have everything done or in place before that video time comes. I need to film by a certain day. I need to purchase everything I need for the video by a certain day and, get my hair ready or order hair, whatever I need to do to make sure that content is produced. So that's what I have on my calendar so far. Now, I don't want you guys to be overwhelmed because, again, this is new for me. I've mastered this with my YouTube channel and I'm trying to master it in every other aspect of my life. But you don't have to plan out so far as a whole year. If you want to start with the first quarter of the year, so if you want to start with, what is the first quarter? Yeah, so if you want to just do the first quarter, plan out your first quarter. And the funny thing about today is I'm literally knocking off a task. So I'm so excited to get this video up because I literally have just accomplished one of my goals on the first day. Again, guys, I didn't wait till today to do these things. I've already started kind of last year. I didn't really have resolutions, but I just started doing things differently last year because, you know, I want to be successful and I'm tired of struggling. I'm tired of, you know, having another year pass me by and I'm not in a position to do what I want to do. I'm tired of not being in a position to have anything show for what I'm doing. You know what I mean? I just really want to know that I've given my all 100%, and I can truly say that I haven't done that. So really all you need is Google Calendars and a plan. Okay. Now I want to talk to my business owners and entrepreneurs. It's the first day of the year. What I want to encourage you guys to do is keep up with your finances. Track your spending, track your income, track your expenses, track everything. Get a folder. I don't care, you know, you can get a folder, a notepad. You can do it on Excel. You can do it on your phone or iPhone. Just start tracking. Keep a notebook at your place of business. If you have a checkout system, it's going to keep up with it for you. But sometimes it helps you to have a hard copy. So I have my notebook that I'm keeping at the salon. So when my client books, when she comes in to get her hair done, when we're done with her service, I'm going to put in how much her total was. I'm going to put in any tips that she may have left. I'm going to put in whether she paid cash or card. I'm also going to put in if she purchased any retail and the taxes for that retail, if she did, if she purchased any extensions, etc. Do this for every client. Keep up with it. Keep track. Jot it down in your notebook. Place it aside. Your next client comes. Repeat. Now, I also have an online business and my booking is on my website. So one thing about it, sometimes I wake up to money before I even touch a client because I sell human hair extensions, and I also allow clients to book and pay a deposit that goes towards their service. So they automatically pay $25 just to book. So you may wake up in the morning and see that you've already made $75. You get what I'm saying? Just keep track of that. Be organized, because when you're a small business and you don't have an accountant or you don't have someone to do payroll for you, you want to get in the habit of doing these things because number one, it's going to help you be organized. It's going to help you when tax time comes around. It's going to help you when you do have to go see an accountant. It's also going to help you know your business, know the numbers in your business, and know your business inside and out. It's also going to help you keep up with your quarters, how you're doing each quarter, okay? I want to recommend a book for you guys to keep up with the profit part of your business. I want to recommend Profit First. I'm going to keep talking about this book because this book has changed my business so much. It's just helping me better organize my money, have a system in place to keep up with my finances, my expenses, and most importantly, guys, it helps you understand if your business is making a profit or bleeding dry. Sometimes you don't know why business is just not working for you, but you have like a leak in your business and you need to know when to let things go financially, when to add things, when to invest, when to upgrade. One thing about Profit First, with the system that they have created, it really helps you create a system for your business, a system that helps you be profitable, a system that helps you be organized. So I do recommend this book. I've read it multiple times and I'm implementing it. And sometimes I don't implement it all the way through, but it's a new year and I have the fundamentals. And again, I'm starting my year off this way and hopefully I keep it up. I have really good momentum right now. The last 5 months have been really good. I've struggled here and there financially, but that's okay. I'm going to be prepared when the money does start flowing in. I won't be overrun. I won't be exhausted. I won't be, unorganized. I'll have a system in place. It's crazy to think that you want all this income, all these streams of income, and you don't really know what to do with your money. You don't know how to organize it. You need to know at a glance what's going on with your business, where you are financially with your business. You need to know. And Profit First really, really helped me create that structure for my business. So I encourage you guys to read that book. Go check it out. Just start your new year off right. So I'll link that below as well. But get the book. Create a system. Don't wait until you're successful and the money's piling in and it's overwhelming to create a system for your business, okay? Start when it's small to where you create a system and finesse that system and perfect that system. That way, when you're overwhelmed with all this business, your business is on lock. You're running it smoothly. You're not intimidated or thrown off by this overwhelming amount of success. You have a system in place. You know the system like the back of your hand, and you can move forward in business, and anything that comes at you, you're equipped to handle. So yeah, just to recap, guys, we're planning out our year. If you're a YouTube content creator, plan out your videos, plan out what you want to do for your channel. Use Google Calendar to help you organize your thoughts, organize your ideas, and then make sure you create tasks for these bigger deadlines and these bigger things that you want to accomplish to keep you on track, little stepping stones that lead you to your bigger goal. You get what I'm saying? Make sure you implement this into your life. Try it for a week, try it for a month, but plan out these things. To my business owners and entrepreneurs, let's keep track of our money. Let's keep track of our expenses. Let's keep track of our businesses. I do recommend Profit First because I want you guys to understand and know how to create a system for the financial aspect of your business. Read the book. I hope you guys are inspired and ready to start your new year off with a bang. I'm super excited about 2020. And I'm going to go, and I just want to remind you guys to wake up, pray, get pretty, hustle, and repeat. Your girl is out. Bye. Happy New Year.